What if I told you that becoming a millionaire has nothing to do with luck, a rich family, or even working hard? What if the real secret was something no one ever taught you? Right now, you might be struggling financially, working long hours, saving little, and wondering, why does it feel like I'm stuck? But while most people are trapped in this cycle, a select few crack the code. They start from nothing, and within a few years, they reach financial freedom. How do they do it? Is it something the rich don't want you to know? Today, I'm about to reveal the 4 hidden, untold secrets that can take you from 0 Indian rupees to 1 million Indian rupees. Secrets that are not taught in school, not shared in job interviews, and not openly discussed by the wealthy. Stay till the end because the last secret is the most powerful one that 99% of people ignore. Let me ask you something. Do you think millionaires got rich because they worked harder? If yes, then why are daily wage laborers and 9 to 5 employees not rich? Here's the truth. It's not just about working hard. It's about working smart. A millionaire doesn't think, how can I work more hours? Instead, they think, how can I earn even when I sleep? Take Elon Musk, Mukesh Ambani, or Warren Buffett. Do you think they are working 24 hours a day? No, but their money, businesses, and investments work for them 24/7. So what's stopping you from thinking like a millionaire? Here's a bitter truth. Money isn't earned, it's created. Think about it. A doctor earns after years of study. An employee gets a fixed salary. A businessman, however, can make 1 crore in a day. Why? Because they understand the game of money. Millionaires never trade time for money. They create systems that generate money for them. They don't just save. They multiply money through investments. They focus on ownership, not labor, businesses, stocks, and assets instead of just salaries. Most people think, if I work harder, I'll earn more. But a millionaire thinks, if I build the right system, I'll earn even when I stop working. Are you playing the game of money, or is money playing you? Tell me something, how many millionaires or financially successful people are in your close circle? Here's a golden rule. Your income is the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Wealthy people don't just work hard. They surround themselves with the right people. They connect with investors who can fund them, business mentors who guide them, friends who push them towards success. Take Mark Zuckerberg. He didn't build Facebook alone. He had a strong network of developers, investors, and business mentors. But most people, they spend time with friends who talk about parties, gossip, and distractions. Look around. Are your friends helping you grow or keeping you stuck? Big truth. Saving money alone will never make you rich. Here's why. Money loses value over time due to inflation. Banks give you just 3 to 4% interest, while smart investments can give 10x more. Wealthy people focus on assets, not just savings. The real formula of wealth: earn, invest, multiply financial freedom. Imagine 2 people. Person A saves $10,000 per month in a bank. After 10 years, they have $12 lakh. Person B invests $10,000 per month in a high-growth stock or business. After 10 years, they have 50 Indian rupees lakh or even 1 Indian rupee crore. So, are you saving or multiplying your money? Have you ever had an idea but never took action? Or hesitated to invest in something because you feared losing money? This is because our education system teaches us to fear risk. But every millionaire understands one golden rule. The biggest risk is never taking a risk. Jeff Bezos left his high-paying job to start Amazon in a small garage. Most people said, "What if you fail?" He said, "What if I succeed?" What are you more afraid of? Losing money or losing your dreams? Now you know the secrets that separate the rich from the poor. But here's the biggest question. Will you just watch this video and go back to your old habits? Or will you start applying these secrets in your life? If you are serious about becoming financially free, comment below. What's stopping you from financial success? Like this video if you learned something valuable. Subscribe for more powerful finance strategies. Stay tuned. Next video will reveal the biggest mistakes that keep people broke. Don't miss it.